Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today's video is a makeup tutorial which I have not done in the longest time on this look. It's how I get this really pretty, simple and easy dewy glowy look. Everything in this tutorial is pretty much e.l.f., so it is super duper affordable. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Starting off with brows, I'm going to use the IBY Better Brows Pencil in the shade Espresso. I just like to brush them through with the spoolie before I fill them in. And with a really light hand, I just like to fill in my brows. I'm literally holding like the end of the brow pencil to fill them. And I always like to start on the bottom and work my way up. And then I just give them a good little brush again. Next up, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Brow Gel, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this to kind of like set my brows. I'm not going to lie, when I first got this, I hated it. I think I got it from like Buzz Agent, but now I really like it. Next up, with this Artless Glow Tinted Sunscreen from Heimish, I'm just going to apply this all over the face like that. And then I just rub it in to my skin. I'm looking at the mirror that's right over here. And it's okay if it's not perfectly blended in with your fingers, because we're going to go with the sponge in a minute. I really like this product because it is a sunscreen. It's kind of like the e.l.f. dewy one, where I could just wear it like this and your skin has like a really nice glow, but because my skin is so red, I like to just, you know, keep going. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is in the shade Medium. This is shade number 4. And I'm just going to apply this all over the skin. Kinda sloppily. It does not have to be neat. I'm going in with my Face Made sponge, and I'm just going to blend everything out. And I feel like, I don't know, on camera it looks fine, but in person it looks like it does not match my skin. But when everything comes together, this works. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Contour Wand. This is in a medium tan as well, and I'm just going to apply this to the forehead, my cheek, bone. I like to add some right here too, kind of like to the temple, my jawline, my nose, and under my lip. And I'm just gonna blend it out with this IBY brush, I think. Yeah, IBY beauty brush. And I really like to get along my hairline, obviously. And I like to use a stipple motion. Don't rub it, stipple. For the cheeks, I like to just go up. For the jawline, go like down, but also keep it on the jawline as well. A little goes a long way with this product, so you can really like blend it all over, if that makes sense. And then I just get the nose. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not trying to do like a perfect nose contour today. And then I just get under the lip. I feel like it looks a little sloppy like on my forehead. I kind of just go back in with my sponge, and whatever's left over on it, I kind of just blend it all out. Next, we're taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow Blush Beauty Wand. This is in the shade Berry Radiant. It is so pretty. Just gonna put some all over my cheek. I know that's like a lot, but you'll see. And on my nose, I always do on my nose. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my sponge. And I blend it high up. And then I go across, blend it high up, and go across again. Just keep kind of doing that. Last and final e.l.f. Halo Glow Wand. I'm going to use the highlight wand. This is in the shade Liquid Gold, and I kind of will go like this to kind of figure out where I like to place my highlighter. So you go from the arch of your eyebrow and kind of make like a C, and then that's like kind of where I like to put it. So I dabbed it on, and then I just use my finger to blend it out. And I'm just going to do my nose too, because I think that looks cute. Then I'm taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Gonna pour some in the lid. I'm gonna take my puff and kind of just all over my face, because this is all we're doing. And this isn't like mattifying or anything. It just really sets your makeup. I still have that really pretty dewy glowy look, which is what I want. Like, look, still dewy, still really glowy, so pretty. For mascara, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Lash Plumping Mascara. It's going to give my lashes a really good curl first. This is what the wand looks like if you were wondering. It is a kind of bigger wand, and I didn't think I was going to like that at first, but I like what one coat does, and I got some on my nose. While I'm waiting for my mascara mistakes to dry and my lash glue to dry, because I'm going to apply lashes, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Exit. It's just a white, and I'm going to put this in the waterline. I love doing this because my eyes do get really red throughout the day, and it makes them look a little less red. I just popped on the Kiss Pompadour lashes with the Kiss Lash Glue. This is just the best duo, and I think these lashes are just so pretty. And with a handy dandy Q-tip, I'm just going to clean up my mascara mistake. Then for my bottom lashes, I'm just going to go in with this Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara. This mascara is perfect for your bottom lashes because look at how tiny this brush is. And this mascara is like $3, which is just the best. Actually decided I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Roller Gloss just to really finish it off. Just going to roll this on. I just didn't want to do anything crazy. I'm just running errands today, and then I'm going to go out to dinner later with my parents. This is the finished look. Super simple and super glowy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!